So here we're showing another very typical usage of Millibox in a lab environment, which is to test for radar performance. So radar, you have one approach, which is to check the metrics like radiation pattern and all that from the RF level, a little bit like an antenna test. But then when you do your integration, you want to know if your radar is performing against actual targets. This setup, the MBX32R, is specially designed with a wall, an instrumented wall, maybe, where we have up to 9 instruments that we can mount, like fixed target, moving target, or virtual target. Here we're using a virtual target. That's a virtual target simulator provided by Eravant. And we are monitoring the Doppler in 3D. And the purpose of such a example, that's an example, that's not really something that a customer does, but that's one option of things they can do. The purpose is to see if we have any blind spot. When you integrate the radar behind an enclosure or in a system, you can start creating some blind spot or some other impact to the performance. And you use a system like this in 3D to measure if you have any impairment while you're operating. So this is one example of a test bench that you can create in your lab for radar testing in mmWave and in sub-terahertz.